I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get up at 6:50. I make a cup of tea and iron my clothes. I have a shower and get dressed. I used to wear a suit with a tie at work, but the dress code is more comfortable now, and I can wear a shirt with trousers and shoes. On the other hand, I like wearing a tracksuit at home. I brush my hair, put on my makeup. I pack my bag with all my teaching materials. I then put on my coat and leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I catch the bus at 8:15, and then I pay my fare and sit down. It takes about 45 minutes to get to my destination 3 miles away. I get off the bus and walk to the school where I teach English. I have to sign in and get the key. Class starts at 9:25 and ends at 11:25. I have lunch at 12. I eat a baguette or sandwich at the local cafe. I sometimes do some shopping before I walk back to school. I do some photocopying and go back to my classroom. I teach in the afternoon from 1 to 3 p.m. I then catch the bus back home and spend a couple of hours relaxing before I cook dinner. My son goes to work shortly after I come home. Sometimes he cooks dinner before I get home, and sometimes I cook. I like to eat rice or pasta with a sauce. I chop the onions, fry them, and then mix them with garlic, tomatoes, carrots, spinach, and chilies. I boil the rice and then add the sauce. After dinner I wash up, sweep the floor, and tidy up a bit. Then I make phone calls, mark my students' work, do the laundry. Then I go on Facebook or watch TV until about 10:30 when my son comes home. We catch up on our day, and at about 11 o'clock I go to bed.